Hey, it's Jeremiah Affordable Mobility, and this afternoon I'm shooting a video of our 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan. This is a rear entry, manual ramp and door, easy to operate, low cost to maintain. I can operate this entire conversion using just 2 fingers. It's got these clamps, they keep the ramps from rattling. I pinch and I flip. Got a handle on either side. Again, I pinch and I flip, and I can take this to the ground using only my index finger. Tell our customers, if you can lift half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate this 34-inch wide ramp with these. So if you're looking to haul a bigger chair or chairs, the side entries are generally only about 30 inches. This 34 might be the answer for you. If someone parks next to you in a side entry van, you cannot get out in your wheelchair. Not the case with the rear entry. The rear entry have more ground clearance for getting over rougher terrain, and they're more affordable to convert, therefore more affordable for you to purchase. 800-pound weight capacity. You got 56 inches of headroom coming inside the van, then about 56 once you're inside the van. It does taper down to about 32 inches of width where the ramp sets here. And this is the deep cut, so it'll allow you to haul up to 2 wheelchairs at a time, or the gurney or the stretcher. And you can see we've already got the cot kit installed in here. This is made for non-emergency medical transport. For the gurney kits, there's big money makers in those, so if you're looking to upgrade your business, upgrade your vehicle, this might be the van for you. It's got the 8 tie down points, so you can get the 2 wheelchairs tied down. We do give 1 set of free Q-strength tie downs away with this van. A lot of our competitors are going to charge you $600 to $800 to upgrade to those. Keep in mind, we give them to you at no charge, so make sure you're comparing apples to apples. Got your spare tire in here. You got about 25 inches of room between those jump seats there. If you want to use this for just a wheelchair van, we can always remove the gurney kit, take out these 3 knobs, can have this out of here in less than a minute. And if you don't want it, we can pull it out of the van, no problem. Nice clean van, got your plug-ins for your electronics. Got your cup holders right here. Got your dual climate control. Rear air, got your backup camera. Dash is in great shape, no cracks or holes in the dash. Steering wheel controls, so you can keep your eyes on the road. And as we exit the van, just reverse the process and you're ready to go. Now, our conversion comes with a 3-year unlimited mile warranty on the conversion. Now, a lot of our competitors are going to tell you they have a better conversion than we do, and that's fine. That's what they get paid to say. I want you to ask them what their warranty is. A lot of them are going to tell you no warranty. They're going to tell you 1 year, 12,000 miles. Some 3 years, 36,000 miles. I want you to compare those numbers to our 3-year unlimited mile warranty. You tell me who has the better built conversion. This van has tinted windows. All these tires are about 9/32, so they're not quite brand new, but they're probably 12,000 miles, just like the rest of this van. And by the way, one of these vans brand new with the gurney kit and jump seats would be about 65 grand. Save over 20,000 on this super gently used van. Still serves all the purposes you would need it to. Only 12,000 miles on this van. And you hear me talk all the time how we can save you $5,000 to $10,000 from our competitors on our wheelchair vans. It's simple how we do it. It's low overhead. We have one central location right here in the middle of the country, Wichita, Kansas. That allows us to do free shipping anywhere in the lower 48 states, which obviously saves you money. The other thing is, like I mentioned, with our one location, I want you to imagine our competitors with 5, 10, 20, 50 locations. I want you to imagine all their overhead every month. How many millions of dollars, that's right, millions of dollars a month they have to spend feeding all those stores compared to our one. That's how we beat them by so much money. There's no rocket science to it. It's low overhead. And no matter who you do business with, get a video of that VIN number on the van. Why I say that? People on Facebook Marketplace. Facebook is the dirtiest place in the world to buy a vehicle. You better know what you're doing. They'll take my pictures. They'll cut out our sign up there. They'll put a van like this on the internet for $20,000, $2,000 deposit to hold it. They're trying to get someone to send them $2,000 to scam them. Don't get scammed. Protect yourself. Get a video of that VIN number right there. My name is Jeremiah. I own Affordable Mobility. This van is here in my possession. What we do with that VIN number, we also run a Carfax before we buy any of our vehicles. You can see there's one owner, no accidents or damage, last owned in nice salt rust free Tennessee. As we scroll down, Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title, and they show no total loss. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is a one owner, clean title, no accidents. And no matter who you do business with, find them online, check out their reviews and ratings. Look at us on eBay. 1,572 transactions. Every single one of those transactions left us positive feedback. That's 100%. I would say that qualifies for a good reputation. And no matter who you do business with, find them on Google. Make sure they are a real company. Make sure they have a handful of reviews. Make sure you're not getting scammed. Check out our 4.8 out of 5-star reviews. 327 reviews currently. You know, I hear horror stories all the time about people buying from a private individual, someone that they knew nothing about, or they end up buying from one of these low-end dealers that have 1 and 2 and 3 star ratings. And instead of our 4.8 star like we have, They end up buying like a stolen vehicle. Yes, there are people out there selling stolen vehicles. They end up buying a vehicle that's got a salvage title they weren't told about, flood damage they didn't know about, major mechanical issues like an engine and transmission, thousands of dollars in damage to the vehicle they weren't notified of. So if you want the low-end 1 and 2 and 3 star experiences, you go ahead and deal with the general public and those low-end dealers. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star service from a company that's been doing this for over a dozen years, I look forward to working with you. All right, back to the van. We do have the 2 keys with the van. Got the keyless entry. And when I go to open up the van, I am a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors inside this van. Got a phone call coming in. Be right back. Sorry about that, but back to the van. Like I said, very clean interior. These back seats are vinyl, so if they do get a mess on them, they're very easy to clean up. It's a little different perspective for those of you that may not be familiar with the layout. Got your rear air controls there. When I go to start the van, you can see just 12,652 miles. Darn near a brand new van. Like I said, it's got the backup camera and it's a great safety feature to have. And I've got 4 mechanics that work for me. We checked all the power mirrors, windows, and locks. I'm going to show you the mirrors and windows moving right now. We checked the heat, air, cruise, belts, hoses, suspension, steering, brakes, tires. Taking these on a road test. Replace fluids as necessary. My point is, we do not just run these through the car wash like most dealers do. They go through a very thorough inspection before they hit my lot. I'm even showing you the back windows there. You know, if nothing else, I hope you can tell we're very thorough in everything we do. Underneath the hood, got a 3.6 V6 engine, idles smoothly, no signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks, and it purrs like a kitten. Underneath the van, much of the same, very clean, no signs of any bent metal from an accident, no signs of any oil or fluid leaks, no signs of any water damage from being in a flood, and no signs of any rust from being up north. And that's the #1 mistake people make when they buy used vehicles. They assume things. They assume just because it has 12,000 miles on it, they assume it's never been in a bad accident. They assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's never been in a flood. You know how many vehicles I see at auction that are brand new, that have flood damage. They'll get flood damage on a brand new lot. The lot will send them to the auction. Not their problem anymore. Pass them on to the next person. Brand new vehicles can have flood damage. So my point is, I don't care who you're dealing with, private individual or another dealer, but I want you to ask yourself, go check out the competition. I'm fine with it. Do they show you the reputation online so you know you're dealing with someone honest, reputable, and fair? Do they show you a Carfax report so you know you're buying a vehicle that's got a clean title, no major accidents or damage, never been in a flood? Do they get on their hands and knees and even bother taking pictures of the undercarriage, much less a detailed video, so you can see there's no frame damage from an accident, no signs of any flood damage? You know how important that undercarriage is. It tells so much about the vehicle, and people never see it. And you know how much I'm at auction, I see these vehicles with roof that's just crushed with hail. It's got holes drilled in it from being a taxi. It's going to leak on you. But they don't fix the roof because no one looks at the roof. You know who looks at the roof? Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility. That's who looks at the roof. So pictures and video. So tell me what happens if you end up buying a van you can't get a title for because you're dealing with a shady individual. What happens if you end up buying a van that won't pass inspection in your state because it's got frame damage from a flood or accident? In both those cases, and in so many more, if you can't title it, you can't drive it, you just bought a vehicle that you bought a paperweight. So to avoid that and so many more issues, demand 4 things before you buy from anybody. Demand a detailed video like this, not some lazy 30-second walk around. Folks, this is a major purchase. You're not buying a crock pot off Amazon. This is a big purchase. Demand that detailed video. Second, demand a Carfax report. Yes, Carfax costs me thousands of dollars a month, but I pay for those because I want to know exactly what I'm getting. Carfax is the most thorough VIN inspection there is. Do not settle for some cheap knockoff. Demand a Carfax. Third, get online, find out who you're buying from, check out their reputation and reviews. Lazy buyers get scammed. Don't you be a lazy buyer. Get online, find out who you're buying from. And then finally, I get you a warranty. This van is just outside the terms for the manufacturer's warranty, so we do throw a 90-day, 3,000-mile drivetrain plus warranty on this van. Do not risk buying as is. Demand that warranty. And you check out the roof. I check out the roofs. Everything looks great up there. Let's get her out for a test drive. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states or if you come in and drive this Caravan home. We've done our due diligence. We've made sure that it's roadworthy. See, the steering wheel's nice and straight. Pop it up to 70 miles an hour. Runs and drives like a brand new Caravan. Very nice. Do keep in mind, we do offer a 90-day complimentary warranty at no additional charge to you. We do have long-term warranties available that are factory-type warranties, going anywhere from 90 days all the way out to 8 years and everywhere in between. Talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long-term. Also, keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers, they show a real nice price online. What they have hidden in the fine print is $500 administrative fee, document fees, tag fees. They got freight, you name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So by the time you add up all their hidden fees, and by the time you add up the cost of shipping to get it to you, that real nice price you saw online just jumped to $3,000 or $4,000. Not such a nice price anymore, is it? So be sure to ask about fees and shipping before you buy, or sit back, relax, let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you. My question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they got a bunch of hidden fees on the back end to try and make more money on you, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it major mechanical issues? You know, I can't speak for them, but one thing I can speak for, that in any business, but none more important than the used car business, transparency is key. That's exactly why I'm out here doing this video today, to be 100% transparent with you. Keep that in mind when you're out shopping. I'm going to give the van a nice hard brake at the bottom of this exit. You'll see there's no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration, all exactly what we're looking for. So I'll be quiet here for a minute so you can listen. Excellent condition. AC is ice cold. We've got a mid setting here. It's about 100 degrees today. Got to turn that down. AC works great. And if you want to give us a call or preferably a text is the best way to get a hold of us. That way anyone in our squad can see that text and respond as soon as possible. But it's 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. That's direct line to reach out to, call, or text me. I challenge you to ask the competition if they are dedicated enough to customer service to give you a direct line to call or text the owner. Or do you have to call in and talk to an automated system and end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back? Or maybe you do get that live person with that super aggressive, pushy, huge car salesman who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me, sick of being treated like just a number by all these companies out there, and you definitely want to avoid that annoying used car salesman, give us a call, preferably a text. Either way, we'll walk you through start to finish. We'll get you taken care of, and I promise you, I'm going to sell this Caravan, whether you buy it or not. Absolutely zero pressure sales here. Yes, we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email address. If computers aren't your thing, get in touch with us. We'll give you a call, and we'll take an application over the phone. Yes, we do take trade-ins, even from across the country, whether a standard or a mobility vehicle. Again, get in touch with us. We can explain how that works. And if you'd ever like to come in to see our inventory, we would welcome that, but we do require that you make an appointment with us. We have 3 different locations. We keep vans. We are super busy every second of the day. Help us maximize your time and ours. Make that appointment with us. And if you made it to the end of our video, thanks for hanging in there. I know it's a long video, but I also know it's a major purchase, so I'm trying to be as thorough as I possibly can with you. If you'd like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this of every van, free shipping, free Carfax reports, dozens of pictures of every van, and no hidden fees, so you know exactly what you're getting from the most thorough and transparent mobility dealership in the entire country, check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thank you so much for visiting us at Mobility 316, home of affordable mobility solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call or text us today, and I hope you have a wonderful day.